Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So we are going to attempt yet again to burn these piles. How are we going to do it this time? Hubby's seen that if you use straw, it will help ignite and keep it going to burn longer. So that's what we're going to do right now. It's a nice morning. It's wet outside, so we don't have to worry about any fires. There's no wind right now. It's really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to set these on fire. So I said no wind, and as soon as I said that, the wind pops up. But it's still very mild. So our one issue that we've already come into is that our friends Kyle and Leanne from 60 Acres in a Dream, they're the ones that did this. But they got the straw underneath the piles because he has a machine, or he can just pick it up and move the piles anywhere he wants. We don't have that, and so we can't figure out how we're gonna get that straw underneath the piles because these are all brambles and we don't want to be picking up brambles. And so I don't know, we're gonna see if this is gonna work. This might not work, but we're still gonna try. So hubby's decided that if this does not work, then we're gonna set the bales over there where we just got done cleaning it out, and he will hand drag all of this stuff over there to set it on fire over there. So we'll start. We'll just, hopefully this works. We'll see. Well, it looks like it's actually burning in the middle. This might not be a fail after all. Well, that pile is pretty much done, which is really good. Hubby has started another one over there, so we're gonna see how that one's going. But this one is pretty much done. All right, last pile to burn, and we will be done. I would say this was a success. We are all out of hay bales. This is our last one, so this one might not burn as well as the other ones. It took 2 to do the first one, and this one is bigger than all 3 of them combined. So this one we might have to come back to and bring more hay bales for. Straw bales, sorry, straw bales for this. All right, friends, so we are done with what we have right now. We are gonna go into town and get some more of the straw bales so we can go ahead and stack a couple straw bales there and take all the rest that didn't burn, stick it on that pile and light it up. Now that we know that the straw bales work, that's what we're gonna do. All right, friends, we ended up not going into town today, so we just let this be and we will finish this up on another day. There is really not that much left to do. So the straw bales really did work with taking out these brambles that we just could not burn for nothing. It also could help that it's been 2 months since we cut everything down. Let me show you real quick what's left of these burn piles, and then we will finish it up on another day.